Been so long since I played with Brooskiesaidi. Yo, yo. For you're literally like a dad to me. Oh my goodness, you're making me cry. Who got captured? Yo. What's up, my man? That's crazy. Oh, alright, it's time to kill. It's time to kill my son. That sounds crazy. It's time to kill Brooskiesaidi. Alright, I'm about to kill you, my boy. Why am I lagging? See, even he agrees. Yo, wait, I heard a jump, I heard a jump. Let me turn up, yeah. Yo, why are you just standing there? Spear? Guess he's AFK. I'll spear him out. Yo, looks like someone's hacking middle. Yo, you are trash, nigga. Okay. Yo. Okay. Oh. Oh wait, I just got juked. Prime Brooskiesaidi jukes. He's lagging. Yo, what's up? Alright, that was very fun. Real jukes. You're level 12. 188 to go. You can get 200 in like 2 months if you. Oh my god, B-sided map, B-sided map. I think we're cooked. Brooskiesaidi is not a bad player. I got. I'm just gonna abuse. I haven't seen this nigga the whole round, and you know what? That's probably a good thing. Okay. I'm gonna hack a middle with this person. Oh, never mind. They're good. Okay, thank God he didn't see me. Yo, yo, yo. Okay. Oh, oh. Okay, okay. Uh, I want to see if we can actually get the save. I gotta be careful though. Yeah, see, I knew it. Does he see me? No. Yo, yeah, he saw me. 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 He definitely saw me. Okay. Yeah, the save is not possible.
Huh? Isn't that? No, I pressed the wrong button. I meant to press the thing up, the speaker. And I pressed the wrong thing. Let's have you call check on you. Huh? Huh? No, Linda, tell you ain't gonna shut down something, you know. Down little something. That is something else. I tell that, then yes, when they then and that's coming in the middle of them, they should be talking all kinds of things. I tell you, they should be that's something you just that 5'9", almost 5. Nisha, she bring all kind of things after yesterday when I pick up from school. The boy got a task picking up them from school. I don't be into that too much like that boy. If you go all the way down to understand this Danish come the car he driving up, she talking at me. Then she said, no, you doing it. They say, nothing they do.
Okay.
I didn't do anything. I said, no. I said, I got a vision. Say, hallelujah. Hallelujah. Because what happened to mommy was telling me, was telling me she come baby, should be crying and making noise and make my hair hurt me. And now she tell I tell Diana, don't be telling her that. So she had me body because she's supposed to sleep over. So I sit there for very daddy and said, that's all me tell she get to sleep. So now she still wants to yesterday when the daddy come. She tell Danielle, see, your husband come now. She speak to daddy, hi, daddy, so
Yo,
happy,
who?
daddy, all right. So he tell Danielle, Jelly that your husband come now,
Yeah,
say you go by Nana, you didn't sleep. Boy,
I
she's
think this beast
something.
got soccer.
Just like that, so your husband come now, say you go. She was telling us your husband and your husband, and I saw. So she got to stay sleeping also. So your husband come now, say you go by and sleep. God, that child is something. Oh, God. She too smart. Smart. Smart, bad. Me, I not playing puzzle. My sleepy. I'm trying to go see any who is this go see the time I mean I
Oh
go
my
there.
god,
Sure, please, only you
you
there
scared me
my
so
bed.
bad.
I don't go see the brown that dirty. No night, waking night or any other night, 10:30. Sometimes I pop the TV like around 10 and I lay down and say a prayer and then I might fall asleep so I'm do. And then it's the boy in there, the right there, he said, you know, he in there, he talk, just like you talk, I'll be playing them things there, talking so hard today. Yeah, so what you do today? Yeah, you rest, at least you rest. Nothing a little bit of
Oh, I'm
practice
dead.
going on right now.
What
I'm
is
trying to
bro
bring me some
doing?
food,
Oh
man,
yeah,
make some
stalker,
food
stalker,
over there,
stalker.
see. I better pick up, and I come right back home, then I go to bed, jump into practice. When I come back home, no bed, now I go buy a piece of ham, put my rice tomorrow, down by the pig and the tissue unit bed, and I come back home, then pickling up.
I'm just gonna be
Then the
the
master,
nigga
then
giving
the
away
guy.
giving away
That's
the
not
beast
strange.
location.
So I don't be cooking like that at all. You know, tell me, eat no rice and chicken. You want rice chicken?
This stupid
He said,
tablet.
right after this part, who want rice like that? She bring chicken and rice. I mean, fish, fried fish and thing.
White, white,
I get chicken
white.
from down the road like we get at night. You like the chicken so bad, man.
Beast has
I
key.
$13 for the silver. The gal said, Megan, don't take. I said, Megan, you can take these tonight. She was sitting there. The gal called Megan. Say, after she
Okay,
did, she said, well, woman never taking.
I
We
think we
taking
might
dollars
be cooked.
the silver. I said, Megan, you can take these tonight. That's all I got. I get all
Stalkers
in
for
my place, Megan.
faggots
Take
only.
that. No, because
Trust me,
I didn't
guys.
know they would take
I
some.
hear
I thought
someone.
they would take
Yeah,
that.
let's go. Now it's time to play very sissy.
What wrong with silver sleep? She got quarters. $18 for the quarters. I Rob, ain't nobody was there. That guy could have called them. It was easy to come. I take them out and huh? Yeah, it's long quarters, long quarters. Yeah, there was quarters, fights and nothing. Then I carry $28 for the quarters down by what's your name.
W save,
Look at she
W
had I go
save.
to sleep then. You know what got Felicia? She was to wake say she tired bad. Cause Saturday, Saturday, Friday, Saturday Genova's cook. And she's have Genova cooking and she's gonna wake after that for 1 o'clock. So you want yeah, Genova
Yeah, I'm
seven
gonna
to
hack
10.
logs on this person.
She's a all kind of things. Breakfast time. Guess you need to do breakfast.
Okay, hold on.
Yeah, for me. Huh? No. You don't sit in the house.
Oh wait, perfect save,
In a
perfect
little
save.
house when they make you stay here. She did right there. Yeah, nobody choppy. They choppy used to be. They
Okay,
got
we all good, we all good, we all good.
look like they got. That's where they got the yeah. Anyway, they fix
Okay, hot
something else now.
logs.
Chubby's be on average, sometimes too. Cause she ain't look like she had no steady job. I ain't no steady. Chubby that means stable.
Okay, hot logs, hot
I think
logs.
she wait there. They ain't stable. Chubby them, they ain't stable. They don't sell one place. I know she go back to stable. Last time she been on that bed so long. I know she go back in there. But they don't sell on. What you there?
Okay, maze is now open.
Like it this and like it that. She wait there. Chop. Man, I was down with last time that they chop you talk about how a mom just lay up in bed and don't do nothing. Don't do nothing at all.
Maze is
Got husband
open.
and don't do a thing. Don't care cook for
Get
the mother,
clap
don't do
stalker
nothing.
user.
Laying up in bed all this and she said, I said, my God, Chubby said, you all up
Little faggot.
all day. Sometimes
Maze
I
is
go take the lights
open.
on the beach, just
Come
chop out that
on.
place to clean up that place. They be so dirty and things.
Oh,
She don't clean for
yo,
nothing.
what's up? Yo,
All
what's
for
up?
all that much herself. I know why you know, big, put on so much weight.
Alright. I don't know what
Laying
you
up
were
and
still
treating them
doing
to
here.
cook. They should be treating them as good cook. They can cook very good. Train up to cook, y'all. You know, train up can't cook. All them could cook. All them could cook. She I don't like cook. She don't like cook. She had to buy food for showing us to cook. Yeah, she do not like to cook. Not all. Not Jackie Jack. Hmm? Never taste no. They taste some bacon out there like with beef. I guess she's baked chicken and salad and that. Things like that. And I got
Alright, I'm
beans and
back
rice
from
in the
taking
car.
a
She cook them kind of
piss.
things like that. No, I'm not Jackie. She'll buy food for you from Genoa or she want that kind of food with Julius cook. She'll buy that before she cook it. You know, she ain't not be cooking like that. That's one thing when she ain't no cook now. But the rest, you got Trina, you got Julie, you got Genoa. They can cook. They can cook. But you know what? You want these for years. Make one of them rich. And just decide to do something for self. That's life the way. Make other people rich when you can step out in faith and do something for your own self. Own thing, you know. And so you boy, you know what? You work with that
Oh,
for
airport.
years and years. You don't do what you need to get nothing, Joe. Then just one
W
switches with he
airport.
dead now.
Air.
I think he dead and the body turned dead. They dead,
Of
but I think
course,
before
airport is
they
fake.
dead, when they closed down and not to do the fix more. After all they were sick. After they were sick. Yeah, you know the mom they don't want it. That's the way with them. Do you know what?
Bro, oh my god.
I forget the man name. I used to wake with them too when I was young, but you know they used to wait their time. I used to wait their Albert. Me and the Albert then. I used to do waitress. I'm saying people I used to wake with them too. But I was younger then. I was young. Young. Yeah, and he shouldn't be. He shouldn't be all kind of things. That's like, this the second time he do that, you know.
W. Oh. W. I love destroy if
Second
I could
time he
ever
did.
type, bro.
President,
This stylus
he do
keyboard
all
is so
kind of things
bad.
and he get participated down and then he go to Nanny's training and they not supposed to. He need more fiber and he died. How did he need more fiber and he died? Because
Oh my
Toyin had it
god.
one time too and Toyin never he come back. Never. Toyin had it too. Yeah, he had it.
Okay.
Never he come back and Toyin.
Jump
The
off.
girl say save a pure juice. Huh?
Jump off. Take the jump.
He had some jelly with Ryan get. Ryan had that too. Right, Ryan had up the two of them.
You vote this map. This map's better.
One of them thingy that.
My God, bro.
Guys, you gotta take him this time. Or cola, when you clean out your cola. Yeah, he had that this time. Anybody's supposed to have that do. Yeah, me too. I scared of that. But they said, no way. Right. Everything they say, everything. Yeah, right. That's what he got this.
Oh wow, stalker user.
Yeah, that clear that up. I guess he was doing it, but not as probably not
Aye.
as often when he should have been doing it. Yeah, cause see, then I be on school softener, and then he right supposed to take the thing that was kind of like alternative to take the prune juice to take prune juice to school softener, so he keep going. But
W
I don't see
Jukes,
why
W
I'm no
Jukes.
prune juice when needs to be taking the prune juice today.
Okay, now you
Just
run.
take the school softener. Aha, when he get bad, then he'll send that he has to shop one time. He send off for prune juice, but you don't wait till you get bad. You don't wait till then. That's true, you know. I need to buy one. Then next time I go to the shop, I need to buy one for phone juice, you know.
This girl is getting taught.
You know.
You're getting clipped so hard, bro. Retire. This game's not gonna pay the bills. This game is not paying the bills, little bro. Anyways, time to go.
That's true.
Alright, now you win.
I used to have it all the time. I used to drink it. So I'm sure and bring two phone juice the other day. I say, bring it in, I can not drink this. I drink it too, Anna. No minute time I sit in the bathroom. I like phone juice.
Retire, bro. Retire. Yo, what's up, man? Level 300 rage quit. Level 300 rage quit. Let's go. Let's go.
You know when I get constipated, I used to eat rice. That's why I don't bother right now. After Christmas, it's been 2 weeks. I have no rice.
Easy, bro. Easy, little faggot. You little stalker using faggot. You Jewish little black nigga. Let's go. Let's go, bro. Trust, little nigga. Retire, bro. Retire, nigga.
Yeah, this is Jesus.
Ain't no way, bro. This game is not paying the bills. Time to retire, little nigga. Little faggot nigga.
Yeah, cheers.
Yo, chill. You're not that good. Hop off. Get off his meat.
No, that ain't good for you. Go get some phone juice. I need to start keeping my cup all the time, and then I just drink some of that. That's what I need to.
Is that good?
Yeah,
especially in his prime. Wait, I'm way better than you. He's cussing at him, especially in his prime. Go jump off. Jump off. Oh my goodness, jump off. Why can't I type, man? My typing skills are not performing. Those typing classes were not working.
You don't drink temperature water for nothing to work. Cold water.
Give me the spots. Give me the spots.
That's what it's. They say that's temperature too.
Oh my god.
That's all I drink water room temperature. No other thing. That's all. But he like his cold water. He like it ice cold too, nature.
You're trash, nigga.
That's why I keep having that problem. And then even I'm
trash, nigga.
He'll be going there, people all the time be doing that. Even if you have a juice, you can tell them.
I have no Bluetooth, so.
I get cold. That's why you like the eggs.
My tubes are looking pretty bad.
Maybe. Yeah, you got plenty. Yeah, you could do something to it.
How you get off your dad's sausage? Oh, what? Nah. Nah. Yes. Yes, I am. Yeah, I'm camping, you little faggot. What you gonna do about it, you little dumb, little stupid faggot? Who do you think you are, bro?
No.
You are literally, you came out autistic. I don't even want to hear, bro. What you're gonna do is you need to suck on it. Suck on it like a pacifier. And suck on it good and start choking on it until your eyes water. And then maybe if you're a good girl, then I'll stop camping. Anyways, sad world. Well, guess what? You have a sad life if you're over here on Flee the Facility playing with random players that don't even care about you or know you and telling them that they need to stop camping. Yeah, pretty sad life to me. As if any of us give a crap. Nobody cares. How about you stop getting hit, you little trash little faggot nigga? Who do you think you are? Who you feeling like?
Yeah, they don't care about that shit. You know, Chucky. Yeah, like all them.
Okay, so I have
All them is very. That's what they are on a long t-shirt.
okay, lab in cinema. Server in cinema. That's not that bad. Actually, it's trash. What am I talking about? Wait, do I have lab? Oh, I don't have lab. I had good spots, but it's fine. Let me see if I still have middle. Okay, I have middle lab cinema. Oh, on conference. Oh, nigga. Oh, he tricked me there. Oh, Brooskiesaidi.
Oh yeah, you like that bad. You like that big. Like that big. And they suck it.
I gotta stop them from hacking somehow. Okay.
No, them kind of for it. Yeah, they too sucky. Too sucky. They got saying after holidays and everything.
They're just gonna be constantly a conference, and that's not something I like. Get clip, Brooskiesaidi. Sit down. Oh my god. I've clipped Brooskiesaidi. My life is complete. He's getting added to the clips today.
That's a good say, like I tell you, good one. Yeah. Anyway, let me. Huh? Yeah.
Yo.
Yeah. Yeah, she ran around, we ran around, man. She ran there. She ran there. Yeah, she's close to the room door.
Trash nigga.
She's scared of roach. She want a roach come in the room.
Sit down, bro. Sit down.
She's scared of roach, boy. I ain't scared of roach like that.
Niggas be always complaining about camping. Well, guess what? You just suck. Stop dying, and then maybe you will have to deal with camping less. Meow, 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 meow. Yeah, I would have that reaction too if I got clipped at conference. You didn't clip. Yes, I did. I'm recording. I clipped.
Yeah. Who's on the picture you got here? That baby was my small leg. I was trying to be black if I didn't.
W anti-paradox? Exactly, bro. Exactly. W, boys. W. Big W. All we doing is keep taking W's. Also, these stomach piercing accessories, bro. These belly shaders. Oh, okay. These belly shaders. I don't know why they're not banned, man. They keep getting past the moderation for some reason. It's already evidence that they're inappropriate. Why are they still getting past moderation? Like, realistic stuff should not be allowed like that. Like, realistic body parts being added to t-shirts.
Yeah, see, say she off. Say she was up me. Say she was off today. Yeah, say she off. Huh? That was Ron. she ran one something, I think it was. I was support check on her, see how she was doing. And she was up me, say she off. Yeah, I was up down here from the week. I was up say she's off. He's still stressing out like
Wonder
that.
if this nigga's good at arcade.
She ain't gonna tell no, but she don't tell you nothing but them.
No done.
You made Raven that boy. Mm-hmm. Yeah, of course, by all means.
Wrong way, bud.
What? Uh-huh.
Oh my god, someone's already dead. W team, W team.
No, cat. Stop kid lie.
I'm too scared to approach. W W W. Yo, no, don't target, you little nigger. Yeah, exactly. Good boy for not targeting. Target if you're a good boy. Target if you're a good boy. Oh wait, he already has the other. Oh no, I'm out of here. I'm out of here. I'm out of here.
Man, Nisha, and you know, Nisha, you know, I never said on the CD, but I can see, you know, there's no mention, not look at last year, she never ever mentioned everything, never, and I never. But she tied, he tied, Jordan tied, you know. That's the man whom the man's supposed to be in peace in your home, Nisha. That big rusty boy must be most
Yeah, I
like
think
before
he's
he
dead.
should be in your own place, man, Nisha.
Yeah, there's nothing we could do.
No, he ain't do it because there was never no manners him. There was no manners discussing jury.
Okay, there's kitchen, but
She really need to stop that fashion, don't she? You know, she really need to stop that. But the thing is, see, so when she look at it, husband need a peace of mind in his own home, but he built. That man paying mortgage for that house, him and
oh
Celia
wait,
doing
yeah,
together, he paid more than
this
Celia
computer has
like
more
sure.
progress.
My God, you think he should ever do something like his sister? Now you know you ain't hit her heart, do I hit hard for the bleeding? My God, Nisha. Yeah, yeah.
Yo, there comes the boy.
Right.
Yep, runner,
My
runner
God.
after runner after runner after runner. Oh no, I got stuck.
Oh, gee. Man, nobody can do it. Turn around after. But then see the lady
I got
for that
stuck.
boy.
Brooskiesaidi has
She said that
officially
see the
contained me.
God, when you go out, you deal with him in doubt. House, you
He
know.
has officially contained me. Help me.
My God. Because he died. Amnesia.
Yeah. Oh wait.
That
Yeah.
boy
The
Jordan
two
Harris for
people
a
that
long
are
time with
my
that boy.
teammates, they have
And he
something
ain't got no
against
man,
me.
no respect, or nothing like that for that child.
I think
That's
I'm
not
cooked.
good, you know.
They ain't saving me. Niggas in this game are petty.
Because Celia didn't go on for long. I don't think she should have gone for long, you know. I don't know if she should have gone, but I think she must even get some deep. But Celia, that's what I said, because when she called me my special string, You know, cause she
Never
supposed
mind.
to get some teeth. You know, she ain't gonna for long. Yeah, she was trying like there. You gonna see like these. So she probably gonna get this some teeth. And that little minute she going, how should I do that to that child? Eh?
Oh, he lost me.
No man, you shouldn't have, cause she's such a nice little quiet child. She don't bother like that. You ain't disgusting boy. That's right. Celia's take out faster, girl. She's take
I
out
wanna
faster, I
hack
can
this
tell you.
computer.
She's take out step.
Oh, never mind. They got saved.
No man. And that's your own place. That's bad, eh? That's really terrible. Your own home, you can have a piece of mind in your own house. And a big man like that. This boy supposed to be alone
Let's
in his
go.
own.
We got the extra
He ain't supposed to
boys.
be alone with no parents.
Uh, um, um, um. I don't know where he is.
And go to work, that's right. And I can
I'm
believe
gonna
you
go
too.
around.
Oh Lord. Well, but that ain't a good thing though, Nisha. Your home, you can't be in home a piece of your own home. That ain't a good thing. That really a good thing.
Please,
One man supposed to be in house, but then this boy
don't
keeps
come.
saying this boy
Don't
keep keeping
come.
on. He's a
Don't
worthless
come.
young man. He's a worthless one man. He's worthless bad.
Let's go. Looks like a go because he is one.
Thank you.
W.
Thank you very much. And she said, you don't care all you have, but you never see no man, see no disgusting. Trent even never do that with you, but you always see no man, see disgusting. That's a no man, is disgusting, boy. He need to be on his own, because he no man, is disgusting. He don't hold no job.
Oh my god, what is this?
I
Arctic
know that you
Station.
couldn't say that, you couldn't deal with that.
Arctic. Not that gay map. Arctic Station,
Right,
not
we
that
don't
faggot
have
map.
no peace. Yeah, you had to go through that. Yeah, you had to go through all of that. You make a good decision, you have a peace of mind. Because it's not like then you got a peace of mind, then you know home and you ain't got a peace of mind, that ain't a good thing, you know. Because everybody need a peace of mind. You can come, you go to work all day with stress on the job and you come home and meet that there. Oh God, that's a serious thing. That's a serious thing. It's a serious little boy. She ain't mention them kind of things to me. But she know me and that boy don't go two step. I guess she know that it's wrong.
Yo,
Robin,
what's up, my
what? I tell
man?
her you need to do something. This boy need to be on like that, make that thing like that. I tell her many times this boy need to go away and get a place of his
Is
own.
this
He is
door open? Okay,
man
okay.
too. My God. Two man shouldn't be in one house. That's a shame. And she feeding him. She feeding him.
Why is this door closed?
Who Baba? Whoever the use of that generator, they send it to Nasoy. November Nisha, my God. My, my God. And if I should wake, I should have had two because he living there.
Yo,
My
yo,
anybody could have been
yo.
living in those. That's a visa. Just
Okay.
everybody pay the bill. Don't spare for one or two people to do it.
Oh, my friend. Oh, my son, my son. Oh well. Oh, hold on.
Jesus.
Okay, now you win. Come here, man. Oh, what the hell? You just teleported. Okay, so he's a stalker.
You understand?
He's just hiding there.
Thank
Okay.
you. Thank you, so much. I want generator. Yeah, you can go to full work And I do the same why it be on no way. No, can't go look for weight, man. Just go look for weight. I tell you, see this plug that boy to mother Bible because this reading right now. The Bible said for man to wake a man, you start telling you plenty of man need to be out there, how they black behind go wake. Because the Bible said if you don't wake, you don't eat. You well, you ain't sick. If you ain't sick, because job there, we just kind of always got this good job. We can't keep no job. I don't know what to say about him. And
I feel like he might be like.
Check, I say, call, check on
Yeah, he's coming. He's coming. What's up, man?
I hear from you. For the whole week, check on this how you do it.
Yeah, come on. Run, man. Run. He can't catch you. He doesn't run. Get the distance.
You understand?
Okay.
But I guess after he Grammy, Grammy said, let me keep him. But he's supposed to be doing that, do that child. He should never do nothing like that. No, man, that boy ain't supposed to be doing that teacher stuff. He is a grown man. He can do something like that to little sister. Cause the little sister shed blood.
No, that's insane.
He shouldn't do that. He's a disgusting boy, you know. But he couldn't go change him. No, he couldn't go change it. You more they doing nothing.
Go. Oh.
Oh no, she could have been weekend.
Trash.
So they see me going.
Hawk in his face. He's slow.
No, she ain't going. She ain't saying nothing to you. She ain't say nothing. She don't say nothing. If I a ma, she don't say nothing to me. No, she ain't saying nothing to you.
Oh, don't go there. You open the door for him like a little gentleman. All right, go here.
Boy, I know you're still smart today. I know he's not bad. Yeah.
I think he's dead. Yo, he's not. No, he's not. Brooskieisaidi's the GOAT. Prime Brooskiesaidi jukes.
Oh, boy. He's a worthless young man. He even will see to go look for job for him, you know.
Alright.
He just get job and see they go look for job for him. What you mean? If Jordan be living in, if Celia was to die before him, you know, he won't be in the house. What? He'd be on the street.
Why am I lagging? W team and a W server. Oh, there's a guy there.
No manners, no respect, and then somebody else, the man they get boy, the man go away, sometimes they off late. Get boy, 4 days, the man go away, come back. You then up in house? I never could tolerate things like that. When I see things like that, I never could tolerate things like that. My God. Now you see that other where our batteries be singing?
Oh, you scared the hell out of me. Okay, I guess Lucy Persky said he left. It was a really fun time with him. I'm definitely gonna cherish this.